of 10 men, we can expect 5 to get it.
Back in the 1950s, Ansel Keys had a theory that heart attacks were caused by a diet high in saturated fats, a theory that transformed the American diet.
In delicious salad dressings and tender, juicy fried foods.
By the late 1960s, millions were following his advice, avoiding saturated fat and eating more corn oil.
Because it's best for cutting down saturated fats in the diet.
But the theory needed proof. In one experiment, Keys and colleagues studied thousands of patients at mental hospitals in Minnesota, feeding one group a diet high in corn oil. Another group got saturated fats. It was the largest clinical trial in history to test Ansel Keys' diet heart hypothesis. But after years of research, they didn't publish what they found.
They got the granting funding for the study and then did the study, and the results ended up in a closet.
So why did they sit on the data? Because nothing happened. The results showed no health benefit from the high corn oil diet. It completely contradicted Ansel Keys' theory. Years passed. People kept on eating corn oil. But the whole story of the Minnesota coronary experiment has never been told until today. Now that a new team of scientists has recovered the data, reevaluated it, and discovered there was even evidence of harm from the high corn oil diet.
We were able to find that actually those that lowered their cholesterol more actually had increased rather than reduced risk of death.
Both Ansel Keys and his colleague Ivan France have died. But a decade ago, science writer Gary Tobes asked Ivan France why they held back the data.
He said that they were disappointed in the way the study had come out. And the implication was that they was primarily Ansel Keys.
Richard Bassinet studies the effect of dietary oils on health. He says the missing data was a serious loss.
What was lost was a major contributor to that debate. And with the publication of this, I think it really shifts the weight of that debate.
In other words, it could have changed the message about healthy oils. Kelly Crow, CBC News, Toronto.